Let me tell you something about Beans. Beans is a non-custodial wallet built on Stellar. And to tell you something about the problems that you've heard about the last days, we know there's high inflation, there's unbanked population, remittance fees are high. And we also know that blockchain could solve it, right? But it's hard, especially if you go for a non-custodial solution. People have to remember their seed phrases. They have to think about all these difficult things, right? Private keys that they have to save. So that's what we want to solve. Beans is a non-custodial wallet that abstracts away everything crypto related. So while it's non-custodial, it looks and feels like a regular banking app. So what we offer is free payments and healthy yield. So either you can do free remittances through Beans, or you can escape inflation and earn some yield on your savings. So for example, someone in Argentina might exchange their peso into dollars and earn yield. And at the same time, someone from Europe can send money, deposit euros, swap it to someone in Argentina who receives peso and can off-ramp it. So it's basically crypto, but easy to understand. So how it goes is you start your transaction. So I'm from Europe. I have a Euro account in Beans. I start my transaction, look up someone. So Ivan in Argentina, and the app knows that he wants to receive peso. So all I do is fill in how many euros I want to send, and he will receive his peso. And then the app will seamlessly convert it for you at 0 fees. We do the same thing for yield. So say you have a peso account. What you can do is open a dollar savings account, and what the app will do is it will convert your peso into dollars and give you a daily yield on those dollars, or even Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XLM. So to make it a bit more real, let's look at how that goes. You can deposit in Beans. There it is. So here's someone that has a Euro account. So what you do is you click deposit. If it goes, I guess the video doesn't work. I'll just tell you what happens is you click deposit and you will be led to the corresponding anchor. So you just fill in how many euros you want to deposit, and you go through KYC if it's needed one time, and the euros arrive in your account. So then next, when you want to send, all you have to do is, let's see if it works this time. One more try. Yeah, maybe I should wait. No. So, sorry? Yeah, no problem. So again, I'll tell you. You have a tab send here. You click send. You search for the person you want to send something to, and it will show you that what currency this person wants to receive. So Ivan might have a peso account, so it will show you that he will receive peso. Then you see two boxes, a Euro box and a peso box. So you can fill in either. Either you fill in how many peso you want him to receive, and you see how many euros you will be sending, or you just fill in, I want to send 5 euros, and you see how much peso he receives. When you click send, it settles on the Stellar network. We don't add any fees. If you have the same currency and you're sending dollars, so say $10, the other guy will also receive $10. So we abstracted away all the network fees as well. So to go on, what is pretty cool is you can also request money in Beans. So say you're together here and you want to split your bill. What you can do is type in, I want to request 5 euros. And then either you can send a payment link through WhatsApp, somebody clicks it, and it opens the request. So you see Wouter is requesting 5 euros, and you will be paying $10. That's a bad exchange rate, actually, so maybe it's better. So you click send, and it goes through again. You can do the same with a QR. We actually use that here to split the bill. So you can create a QR of 5 euros, and everybody pays in their own currency. So the first person scans it, pays in pesos, second pays it in dollars, and so on. So, and then finally, I would have liked to show you the payment of the request. Might show up here. Yeah. So what happens is you share the request in WhatsApp. Somebody just clicks the link and it goes through. For escaping inflation, all you have to do is go to the savings tab that what savings account you want to open, so dollars, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you swap from your own currency, and it shows up there. So to recap, it makes crypto available for everyone. There's no private keys. We abstract it the other way. You just recover through email and phone number. While being non-custodial, there's seamless conversion. You can deposit through your own currency through the existing Anchor infrastructure. And you get really easy access to CeFi and DeFi. So now I couldn't show you everything because of the technical issue. So I think it's a good idea that you just try it yourself. So if you scan this code, you can download the app and then use this invite code to get $5 welcome bonus to just try it out. So maybe you can send some money to each other, and then the technical issue is solved, I hope. So any questions? Thank you.
Well, thank you for the presentation. Just a question from the regulator side. Who holds the client's funds on your end once it deposits?
It's so they receive stable coins. So on if you have a Euro account, they hold their own currency. So
you cannot simply deposit with a card, right?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. So if you click deposit, you will go through to an Anchor.
Okay.
To deposit Euro, and they will just distribute Euro tokens to you.
Okay, so client funds will be held on the partner account, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's like USDC and Circle. So if you buy dollars, you get USDC.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I saw a question there.
I have a question regarding the FX with the Argentinian peso, which is like something that is moving pretty fast all the time. How do you handle the real-time quote with for example, the USD or Euro, or whatever?
Yeah, so every payment goes through the Stellar DEX. So, and that's very dynamic. So you get the rate that is on there. So your currency will be swapped, whatever you have, dollars for peso, it takes the rate on the DEX. And that's very often a pretty good rate. Yeah. Yeah. So it's free to do payments in Beans. The monetization is on the savings part. So because we want to do free payments, that's where we monetize. And there are some other ideas that I can't share yet, but yeah. So the private key is on the device of the user. So they sign with their own private key, and if they want to recover, they go through a standard on Stellar where they can ping one server, prove they own their email address, and then this server signs. They only have 50% signing power, and the other server does the same for a phone number, but it's another company. So there's no one entity owning the two keys that together can help you recover your funds. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I have a quick follow-up question. So you're using SEP31 for account recovery. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Who are you using for the independent account recovery server?
40?
Sorry?
40, yeah, we're working with Enclap on that.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Enclap. Yeah. If no other questions, thanks.
Okay.